Do you plan your meals for the whole week?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural conversation about planning weekly meals.
You'll learn useful food vocabulary and everyday English expressions.
Let's get started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thanks for joining us today.
Let's practice English together with an easy conversation about planning meals for the week. Hi, what are you doing?
I'm planning my meals for next week.
Really? Do you usually plan your meals?
Yes, I do.
Why?
It saves time and helps me eat healthier.
That's a good idea.
It also helps me save money.
I agree. What are you planning for Monday?
I'm going to have chicken and rice for dinner.
That sounds good.
I'll also have some vegetables.
Nice. What about Tuesday?
I'm thinking about making pasta.
What kind of pasta?
Pasta with tomato sauce and chicken.
That sounds delicious. What are you having for breakfast?
I'll probably have eggs and toast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Almost every day.
What do you usually drink?
I usually drink coffee or tea.
What about lunch?
I'll make sandwiches for a few days.
That's easy to prepare.
Exactly. I don't want to spend too much time cooking lunch.
What are you planning for Wednesday?
I'm going to make vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup sounds healthy.
Yes, I like eating something light in the middle of the week.
What ingredients do you need?
Carrots, potatoes, onions, and tomatoes.
Do you have all of them?
I have some, but I need to buy a few things.
Are you going grocery shopping today?
Yes, I'll make a shopping list first.
What are you having on Thursday?
Maybe fish with vegetables.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite kind?
I really like grilled fish.
Me too. It's simple and healthy.
Exactly.
What about Friday?
Friday is different.
Why?
I don't want to cook.
I understand.
I'll probably order pizza.
That's a great way to end the week.
Yes, Friday is my relaxing day.
Do you cook every weekend?
Not always.
What do you do on Saturday?
I usually cook something special.
Like what?
Maybe noodles, fried rice, or a homemade burger.
That sounds fun.
I enjoy trying new recipes on weekends.
That's a great hobby. What about Sunday?
Sunday is usually a family day.
Do you eat together?
Yes, we usually have lunch together.
What do you usually make?
We might make chicken, vegetables, and a simple salad.
That sounds like a nice family meal.
It is.
Do you write down your meal plan?
Yes, I write everything in my notebook.
That's useful.
I write breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Do you also make a shopping list?
Yes.
What's on your shopping list this week?
Eggs, chicken, rice, vegetables, fruit, bread, and milk.
That's quite a long list.
Yes, but I'll have everything I need for the week.
What if you don't feel like eating what's on your meal plan?
I can change the plan.
That's a good idea.
A meal plan doesn't have to be perfect.
Exactly.
The important thing is to have an idea of what you're going to eat.
I agree. Planning your meals can save time, money, and stress.
And it can help you make healthier food choices.
Thank you for listening to today's English conversation.
Keep practicing English every day, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.